Hi, this is Mukesh More. So, in this session, the students will learn what is a microcomputer. So, as name suggests, microcomputer. So, this design has a processor, and processor is a electronic component which is used for execution of instruction stored in a memory, and after executing instruction the processor will generate the respective output on the screen, and the output will be shown to screen and it will do the respective operation. Now you can see the definition of microcomputer. So microcomputer having microprocessor as its CPU. CPU means central processing unit, and combined with memory. So memory is required to store the instructions to store the program, and input output devices to enter the data into the memory, to insert the data into the memory and take the output from the memory, so that we need the output devices like display devices or printers or any other output devices. So microcontroller design or microcontroller is that this microcomputer having microprocessor, this is a microprocessor, then memory is required and input output devices are required. Now you can see here we have ALU, that is a arithmetic logic unit. Then we have registers. These registers are used to store the data. So as already you know that key register is a combination of flip-flop which is used for storing the data. And we have control unit. So control unit is used for controlling all the operations, input operation, output operation, processing operations by using this control unit. And we have arithmetic logic unit. This arithmetic logic unit is used for performing the arithmetical and logical operations by the processor. Now this block, memory block is there. So this may be your read only memory block or random access memory block or permanent memory block. Okay, so this memory having instructions, you can say it is a set of instruction, then that is a program. The program is stored in the memory, and this program will be loaded through system bus into the processor for execution of that instructions. So instructions are going to execute on processor. This is a part of your CPU, and the result is stored at memory, as well as the result is generated at the output devices. So this is a structure of microcomputer which has components like ALU, registers to store the data, then control unit to control the operation, memory is required to store the instructions, and we have input device and output device. Input devices, the example of input devices is a keyboard, mouse. Through that you are entering the data into the microcomputer that will be stored in memory, and the data of memory will be executed at the ALU at the CPU. Similarly, we have output devices. Output devices like your printer, then display devices are there, printers are there. So these are output devices. Through the instruction you can take the output from the microcomputer, and to communicate with the each and every component we are using the system buses. So thanks for watching my video, microcomputer components.